Hi, how are you? Today I am going to draw the flag of Russia. As you know, it has a rectangular shape, so I have already drawn the shape here. Alright, and now I am drawing the segments which is present inside the flag. So there are three segments here. One has a dark blue color, and another segment it has a dark red color. Let's put the dark red color line here. Alright, so on the top portion you are going to leave it like as it is. It's like the white color, and the middle portion let's fill it up with the dark blue color like the flag of the Russia. Okay, so dark blue color is completed here in the middle portion. Now we are going to fill up the bottom portion with the red color. All right, let's put the red color at the bottom. So this flag is really easy, not a complicated one, very easy to drawing. Only three segments and only two colors, and another one is just leaving white here. All right, and the whole flag, its border area looks like the shape of a rectangle, and this is the flag of Russia. All right, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.